Introducing the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 FDW printer. This printer is able to print, copy, scan and fax. It comes with a 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen. It has got automatic duplex collation, watermarks, printable forms, quiet mode, and supports HP Premium Print Mode, and accepts a variety of paper sizes and types. The ADF or automatic document feeder is able to support up to 50 sheets, and this ADF is able to scan two sides automatically. It is a duplex ADF, and the scan glass maximum scan size for the flatbed is 216 by 297 mm with an optical scan resolution of up to 600 dpi. There are two trays. For tray 1, it is able to support up to 50 sheets, and for tray 2, it is able to support up to 250 sheets of paper. Now, the output capacity is 150 sheets. This printer supports dual band Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz. It supports Wi-Fi 802.11b GNN standard. It has got Bluetooth LE for setup purpose. Looking at the back of the printer, there are two high-speed USB 2.0 ports. One is for the device and one is for the host. It also has got 1 gigabit Ethernet 10,100,000 base network port. And right below it, those are the phone ports for the fax. Now if you are to open up, there's a real cover where you can clear your paper jams. Even as there are two USB ports at the rear, there is one USB front port as well, where you can use a USB thumb drive to print your documents by plugging it into the printer and printing directly from it. Here are the mobile printing capability. It supports HP Smart App, Apple AirPrint. This printer is MOPIA certified. It supports Wi-Fi direct printing, supports HP Room for business, and there's optional Room Q printing as well. Let us take a look at the toner cartridges. It comes with 4 toner cartridges, and this printer uses LaserJet 230A toner cartridges. So let us take a look at the print, scan and copy speeds of this printer. So this is a two-sided printing on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 printer. two-sided to two-sided copy on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 printer. So check out the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4303 FTW printer, available in stores now.